Sometimes you might be craving for something very tangy or something very sour, but then who has the time for making pickle from scratch? Especially when it comes to those kind of pickles where you have to add in all the spices and then leave it to ferment for days. Only then you can enjoy it. But this type of pickle, it's something else and it's so delicious. You would absolutely love to make it almost every single day. Assalaam Alaikum and welcome to my channel Double the Taste. Today I'll be showing you how to make green chili achar. It's quite easy and instant. You'll love it. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I need 500 grams of green chilies. Now these are Indian green chilies and they would last me for approximately a week or two. It depends on how much will be consumed. What you have to do is make sure that you take off the stalks. I think you call it a date or something. Just take off the stalks. Make sure you rinse all the green chilies and then you take, using a knife, put slits in them. Make sure you don't go too deep inside. We don't want the chili to be cut in half, but it should have a slit, more like outlets for the air to pass through when we put them in the hot oil. Now this is a very important step, so please don't skip it. Now once done, it's time to prepare our achari masala. Take 1-2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, rye, then 1.5 tablespoons of zira, half a tablespoon of methi and 1 tablespoon of kalonji. Now make sure you grind them all into a very fine powder and store it into an airtight container. We'll be using approximately 4 tablespoons for our achar in this. This masala you can even use it in your other dishes. You can make achari, or anything of that sort. Next, add 1 cup of oil and let it heat it. Then add your green chilies and saute it for approximately 5 minutes on medium to high flame. Next, once the green chilies turn bright green, remove them and then keep them aside. Now in that same oil, add 1 teaspoon of zira and let it splutter. Then add 3 tablespoons of the achari masala that we prepared just now. Then 1 heapful of red chili, tablespoon, that's a tablespoon by the way, 1 heapful of red chili powder, then 1 tablespoon of salt. Now mix it properly. Make sure that at this point the flame should be medium low. The spices shouldn't burn so that you get a very light, delicious aroma. Then add your green chilies. Stir so that the green chilies can absorb all this delicious masaledar flavor. Now add 3/4 cup of white vinegar. This is going to give the tangy taste to our achar, by the way. It really complements the whole thing. Stir it again approximately 5 minutes. Turn off your stove and then move it aside. Let it cool down. Now our instant green chili achar is ready. But we are still not done, by the way, because now we have to serve it. Now make sure that the bottle that you're using is sterilized. I've already sterilized this bottle in boiling water and cooled it down so that there is no extra moisture or anything left inside. Cool down this achar as well and then pour it in slowly. And now it's done. So you can eat this achar with any plain food or whenever you feel like it. You can just add it as a condiment, but then you can even use it in other recipes as well. For instance, I have this recipe on my channel, spicy noodles, but then I have used achar as well and it really turned out well. You all really need to check it out. Thanks for watching and until next time, Khuda Hafiz.